Hi everyone, this is Adam from PPTX Builder, and today I'm going to show you our brand new SIG testing feature that's hopefully going to save your researchers a crazy amount of time, all while ensuring accuracy in those reports that you're sending over to your clients. Now, we're all very familiar with the current process and the problems with it, but just to recap, if I'm copying and pasting data into this chart and then going back and forth to see where there are significant differences, I then have to copy and paste these little arrows, maybe use different signifiers like letters, or maybe you color code the data labels, something like that. But you can see no matter how I do it, it's a manual process, it's time consuming, and let's face it, it's boring. And if I'm a researcher and I've got to do 100 of these, jumping back and forth between here, the potential for human error is huge. Obviously, the alternative is you might be outsourcing this to a vendor, which will obviously be taking away from the overall profitability of your project. So I think we'll all agree there's nothing good about this existing process. So that's why we've developed a new feature that will handle this task for your researchers in just a couple of clicks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the same data into our platform. And for those of you who haven't seen this before, what the platform's doing now is it's turning every single table from that data into a chart. So you can see I've now got 20 charts, I think. Yeah. And then what I can do here is I can select from those demographic breaks or column groups that were within my data to create the same chart as I had here. So I had male versus female. Yeah. So I'm just going to do that, add gender. And I was also using a column chart. So I'll select column from our 10 different chart types. There we go. And then what I really want to show you is this new button for statistical analysis. Now here you can enable SIG testing. You can obviously set a base limit. You can select your confidence level. I'm going to set mine to 95%. And then you have two ways of doing the analysis. You can either do an all versus all comparison, which adds the letters to show where there are significant differences. Or as I was doing in my report, I can use a control group. So I had total as my control group, and I'm showing whether male or female is significantly higher or lower than total. So now when I hit apply, you can see these arrows automatically come into my chart here. And I don't have to worry about going back and forth between the data. I can apply this to everything all at once if I want to, or just one chart at a time. And then when I'm ready, I just hit download. I'm not going to do all of them now, but I'm just going to show you this one chart. So now when I export, there we go. I've not only created the chart in a couple of seconds using my fonts, my colors, my logo, everything like that, which is coming directly from the PowerPoint template that I've uploaded, but I've also applied SIG testing. And you can see that even the data labels have actually changed color depending on whether they're significantly higher or lower. And for those of you who are very observant, you would have noticed that I'm actually clicking on these data labels, which means that this is an editable chart. So I can still resize things. I can even change my chart types, and I don't have to worry about repositioning those arrows. It's automatically happened for me. I can access the data behind the chart, everything. So I still have full control once I've exported. So that's it. If you're interested in hearing more about how we can help you to automate your reporting, then you can reach out to us at info@pptxbuilder.com, and we'll be happy to set up a demo with you and your team to take you through it in more detail.